Good afternoon. I'm back at the Stinnett shop. I rented a U-Haul trailer and I got all the stuff out of the loft at shop number 1 and came out here to unload it. About 20 minutes ago, this gust of wind came right through the shop. I had this door open. It's roughly 16 by 16, and it went straight down this wall. And I don't know if you can see the other door down there. It is now bowed out. And I've never really experienced such a strong wind like that. That's crazy. Just one more thing for me to work on. Madness. I'm bummed. Gotta go now. Be safe.